Hi everyone. Now we are going to talk about binary left shift. So what is this operator? So generally you will find this operator written like this. Let's say 5 left shift 2. So what does it mean? So it basically means we have a number 5, okay, and whatever is the bits it has, we are going to left shift all the bits by a factor of 2. So everything is going to move towards left by a factor of 2. So what will happen? These two bits will fall off, okay, and you will have something like this: 0 0 1 0 1, and from here you will add two zeros, okay. So you will add like this. Now if you try to understand what is the difference in this number, so this was 2 raised to the power 0, this was 2 raised to the power 1, this was 2 raised to the power 2, and here it is 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, and this is 2 raised to the power 2, this is 2 raised to the power 3, and this is 2 raised to the power 4. So what is the original number? So original number is 5, okay, and that is equal to 2 square plus 2 raised to the power 0, and we know this is 5, and let us call this number as x. Now if I talk about this number, okay, so what is this number? So it is nothing but it is 2 square plus 2 4. So if you take 2 square common, what you're left with? You're left with 2 square plus 2 raised to the power 0. So that means it is 2 square of the original number x. Basically, doing a left shift by 2 has multiplied that number by 2 square, okay. So basically a left shift b will multiply a with 2 raised to the power b. This is what I'm trying to say. And if you see, what is this number? This number is nothing but 16 plus 4, this number is 20. So effectively 5 got multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, that is 5 into 4, that is 20. So effectively when you do a left shift, the number is multiplied with the power of 2. So this is the left shift operator. I hope this one is now clear. Similarly, we also have something known as right shift. So left shift does multiplication, right shift divides, okay. Let us start with a one example. Let's say I have a number 10, and if I do a right shift with 1, that means I'm going to divide by 2 raised to the power 1, okay. So if I show you this number, so 10 in binary is 1010, and that means if this is the number, doing a right shift means we are moving every bit towards right by one step. So this bit will get discarded and the original number would become 000101, okay. And clearly we know this number is 5. So if we do 10 right shift 1, that means divide by 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 1. So this number is 5 and this number is also 5. Again, if you do a right shift 1 here, it's an odd number, you should get 2. So this doing right shift 1 here means 000, this 1 will fall off and we will get something like this 10. So this number is 2. So this is same as doing 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2, okay. And similarly if you do it once again, you will end up getting 0001, and this number is 1. And let's do it once more, you will do 0000, this number would be 0. So if I do 10 right shift 4, then that means 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 4, and that is 16. So this number would be 0, okay. So a right shift b basically means a divided by 2 raised to the power b, okay. So I hope both left shift and right shift are now clear to you, and in the coming lectures we will see some examples where these operators can be used. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.